Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to create an account in Asana. So just head over to asana.com, then you should be able to see this. So you have two options. You can sign up using your Google Work account as well as your own company account. You can click on this sign up right here in order to do that, or you can also sign up with this one. Alternatively, you can also click on this get started right here. So just choose your pick, and then for me I'll just head over and choose Google right here, and then from in there this should load and this should show me my actual Google accounts. I'll head over and choose one right here on the list, and then once I have chosen one, this will direct me back to Asana. Now as you can see, this will load and the URL actually changed into app.asana.com, which means that I have already opened Asana using my Google account. So if you choose to use your company email, this may as well ask you for some password. But if you choose to use your Google account, it won't ask you for any password since this will be binded to your actual Google account. As you can see, I have a 30-day free trial, so you can head over and then use that. So that's how you create an account in Asana. Hope we help.